As a baker that loves to eat, I am always in a predicament. Cakes, pies, and muffins always entail copious amounts of sugar and butter, so it has always been difficult for me to eat healthily. One way that I have found that has helped me a lot is to use other kinds of sweeteners instead of sugar-free frosting. In this video, in particular, we will show you some sugar-free frosting recipes with Splenda that will make your taste buds go wild but remain diet-approved. Sugar-free cream cheese frosting. Ingredients: 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of room temperature butter, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of stevia, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. How to make it. Step 1. Using a paddle attachment in your stand mixer or a hand mixer, cream together the cream cheese and the butter. Step 2. Once they are well blended, you can switch to a whisk attachment or a hand whisk. Add 1 tablespoon of your yogurt and incorporate it well. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of stevia and 1 vanilla extract and whip on medium for a minute or so. Try the mixture to see if you like it as is or it needs more stevia and/or extract. Also, depending on the texture you need, decide if you want to add the rest of the dairy. This will make it softer and ideal for crumb coating, but if you need it for filling or piping, maybe you would prefer it thicker. Sugar-free buttercream frosting. This type of frosting is perfect for keto and low-carb diets as well. It does contain a lot of fat, but we have taken away all the sugar so you can eat it without worry. It tastes amazing too, and it is very easy to make, although we thought it was not possible before trying it ourselves. This recipe is very flexible and can be used with just about any type of cake you like. You can always adjust the flavoring and voila! To achieve this, you will need to make some sugar-free powdered sugar first. That sounds like magic, right? Well, it is quite simple, and it will probably amaze you. You can always buy some pre-made, though, if you do not want to make it yourself. We recommend Swerve as a perfect sugar-free alternative to sweeten any preparation. Thank you Sugar-Free Diva for the recipe. Making sugar-free powdered sugar. Ingredients: 1 cup of Splenda or any other granulated sweetener, 2 cups of cornstarch, 2 cups of sugar-free, non-fat dry milk powder. You should sift all the ingredients together into a food processor or blender and pulse until you get the consistency of powdered sugar. It will, of course, make 5 cups of the mixture. You can use this mixture as you would use regular powdered sugar, but without the calorie cost. You can make more of it and store it so that you can have easy access to it for other recipes. Making sugar-free buttercream frosting. Ingredients: 3 cups of sugar-free powdered sugar, 1 cup of softened butter, 1 tablespoon of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Step 1. Using a stand or hand mixer, cream the sugar-free powdered sugar with the butter until you get a smooth mixture. Start with 1 minute on low and then switch to high to get a whipped texture. Step 2. Add the milk and flavoring and continue whipping for 2 to 3 more minutes. If you need a softer buttercream, you can always add more milk. This depends on where you live and what type of cake you are working with, as well as what you need the frosting for. For crumb coating, you want a softer texture, but for piping, which this recipe is great for, by the way, you need a firmer texture. You can store it in the freezer and work with it just as you would regular buttercream. It is amazing. Sugar-free coconut pecan frosting. But what if you are a chocolate fiend? Well, by the Sugar-Free Diva there is another recipe that will fulfill your craving. You can use this decadent frosting in just about any preparation, but it is inspired by the frosting used in German chocolate cake. Be mindful that this is a more complex recipe than the previous one, so beginners beware. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cups of sugar-free powdered sugar, 3/4 cups of butter, 1 1/2 cups of evaporated milk. For beaten egg yolks: 1 1/4 cups of chopped pecan nuts, 2 cups of shredded or flaked coconut, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. How to make it. Step 1. In a small saucepan, mix the sugar-free powdered sugar with the egg yolks, butter, and evaporated milk. Step 2. Place the saucepan over low to medium heat, and do not stop whisking while the mix is heating up. It will start to thicken and turn brown in about 10 to 12 minutes. Step 3. Remove it from the heat and stir the rest of the ingredients. Remember to let it cool before using it, if not it will be too runny, and it will fall off the cake. The recipe will make enough to cover and fill a 2-layer medium-sized cake. If you would like to make it vegan, you can always replace the evaporated milk with coconut milk. This will enhance the coconut flakes flavor and also help with texture, as coconut milk has a high fat content. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.